Good day, future employer. I hope you give me a chance to work in your family. By the way, I am Jorilyn Embat, married to Ruel Embat with 4 lovely daughters. Currently, I'm in Philippines right now, doing household chores, backyard farming, and taking care of my kids. I work in Dubai as domestic helper. I serve 3 adults. My main duties are cleaning, cooking, wash dishes, wash and iron clothes, clean the car, and gardening. My second job is in Jordan. I serve 2 adults and take care of 3 kids, age of 8, 7, and 5 years old. I wake up early to prepare the breakfast and healthy snacks and to prepare what they need. I also clean, wash dishes, and cooking simple food. I also work in Hong Kong. I serve 2 adults and 2 kids, a newborn baby. My main duty is taking care of the 2 kids age of 5 and 3. I prepare their breakfast and healthy snacks. I prepared what they need and taking them going to school. I also do household chores like laundry, wash dishes, cook simple food, and marketing. As a person, I am a fast learner, energetic nanny, understanding, and hardworking and flexible. Don't worry because I have patience to the kids. If you hired me as your nanny, I promise I will love and treat your kids like my own. I will be honest and trustworthy. To my future employers, mom, sir, I hope to see you soon. Thank you.